Zero West, Einstein. Yeah, my brain starts thinking that I'm more than Einstein. Celebrating nightly class with me, they're drinking fine wine. Yeah, I have to make it, it's my fast and last life. Didn't make it here by sitting next to the Wi-Fi. No, I was called outside. As a matter of fact, I was wondering, trying to know why I was always under attack. Had no family that had my back, had no females on the sack. Lonely loner just sitting by himself, all alone in the back. But it's all good now, I guess. Burning trees to cut the stress. But if there's one thing to confess, is that life is now just a mess. It's more like a game of chess. One wrong move, you'll wind up dead. I made all the wrong moves because I listened to what they always said. They always said you wouldn't amount to nothing, and I foolishly believed it. Chose the devil's do so my dreams would not just be dreams, man. Now the devil's after me cause he's my true belief, yeah. But I can't hide for long, my years of life have taught me just that. And all the lies come back, all my money lost, rags, break hands writing on tracks. And we're dying, that's fact. The demons are my friends and the devil's my savior. He's the reason why this boy is on his worst behavior.